Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss inner, outer, left and right join. Joining is the function of combining data from multiple tables. Join is used to fetch data from two or more tables which is joined to appear as a single set of data. It is also used for combining column from two or more tables by using values common to both tables. In MySQL, we use inner, outer, left and right join. We'll discuss one by one with practical example. Inner join returns record that have matching values in both the tables. Suppose there are two tables, table 1 and table 2. The result is based on matched data of both the table as per equality condition specified. As you can see in the example, it is showing only those records where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. As discussed in our previous video, we know inner join is Cartesian product of two tables plus condition. First we will see the Cartesian product of two tables. For that we have to write select star from emp comma project. It is having 15 rows. Now it will check for equality condition of both the tables based on emp code. Select star from emp inner join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. Only two employees of emp table are working in project 1 and project 2. Now we'll discuss left join. It will return all records from left table and the matched records from the right table and null for the remaining right table's columns. There are 5 records in emp table. Only E1 and E2 are associated with project 1, project 2. E3, E4, E5 will have null values for all columns except project 1 and project 2. Now see practically. Select star from emp will give all rows of emp table. There are 5 rows E1 to E5. Some of the employees are working on some projects and some are not. The second table we'll use is project. Select star from project is giving 3 rows. Now you can see employees having employee code E1, E2, E14 are working on projects, but E1 and E2 are associated with emp table. Select star from emp left join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code will include 5 records of emp table and only 2 records of project table and rest will be null values. If we will change the order, there will be 3 records of project table and only 2 records of emp table. Rest data will be null. In right join, it will return all records from right table and the matched records from left table and null for the remaining left table's columns. Select star from emp right join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code will show all records of project table and associated record of emp table. It will fill with null values for other records of emp table. Now we'll run the query practically. Select star from project, right join emp on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. It is including 5 records of emp table and 2 records of project table. All other 3 records of project table is filled with null values. If we will change the order and will write select star from emp right join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code, it will include all records of project table and only associated records of emp table. Rest records of emp table will be filled with null values. Now you can see the result. We'll discuss full join. Full join returns all records when there is a match in either left or right table. Full join or full outer join returns a result set table with the match data of 2 tables and the remaining rows of both left table and then the right table. In MySQL, we do not have full outer join. For that, we have to write the 2 left and right join with a union. Select star from emp left join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. Union select star from emp right join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. There are 5 rows in emp table E1 to E5 and 3 rows in project table. Now we'll see practically. Select star from emp left join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. Union select star from emp right join project on emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code will give the full outer join result, and there are 6 rows total. E1 to E5 as project 3 is not associated in EMP table. In EMP table it will contain null values, and E3, E4 and E5 are not associated with any project. For that, these records will contain null values in columns of project table. Hope MySQL join concept is clear to you. I hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.